Alright, so what we're looking at here is a Grizzly. It's a model G0554 lathe. It's a 14x40 geared head machine. I'm going to go ahead and do a quickie touch or cut here just so you can see it cutting, running and cutting. Brake works on it. It's got coolant. Come well tooled. You got a follow rest, steady rest over here. Taper attachment in the back, coolant again. Work lamp. It's got a 5C collet closer. It's got leveling pads, 3-jaw and a 4-jaw chuck. Along with a quick change tool post. It's going to come with 4 tool holders. And you got your 5C collet closer also. So that's kind of some nice stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it real quick, show you in this speed right here. Do a little close-up while it's cutting. So it peels a really nice chip on this piece of steel here. I'm not sure what the material is. You can see the power feed is working by itself. It's also got a micrometer stop on it, as you can see over on the other side there. Got a Jacobs chuck. So I'm just going to go ahead and let it finish out this whole cut, and then when it gets done I'll stop it so you can actually see the finish. I'll show you the brake working also when it gets done with its cut. So as you can see there, the brake works like just beautiful. The machine's in nice shape. The compound, I took pictures of the unit, and it's not all full of nicks on the top where the normally people run into the chucks. So came out of a large manufacturer, but a tool room type position where I think only the owner ran it. So as you can see, all the dials, handles, everything's in nice shape. And that's going to conclude the video.